If you are serious about trading professionally, journaling is not optional. It's a requirement. In this video, we're going to explore how to journal trades in a way that it can improve decision making and not just to fill pages. We'll start by having a look at the trading journal inside TradingLabs app, then I'll break down what to journal, when to do it, and why each part matters. I'll also show you how to review your journal to identify recurring mistakes and weaknesses instead of just logging trades and moving on. And at the end, I'll walk you through a practical example of how I personally journal my trades step by step. For journaling, I use the TradingLabs app, a trading analytical tool developed by ATJ. The app doesn't just provide a performance dashboard, it also includes a trading journal designed to help me stay consistent with my strategy parameters and disciplined in my trading behavior. The app is free, runs on localhost, and all data are stored locally on your computer, meaning your trading data stays private and secure. TradingLabs currently works with MetaTrader 5 only. After a very quick installation, around 2 to 3 minutes, if you already have MT5 installed, you can access the trading journal from the left side panel. Once inside the journal, you'll see a table of trades at the bottom. This table includes both historical trades and any trades that are currently open, along with their key details. Above the table, you'll find two panels, Trade Overview and Trading Chart. These panels update dynamically when you select the trade from the table below. When you click on any trade, open or closed, the Trade Overview panel displays detailed information such as entry and exit prices, stop loss and take profit, open and close date and time, and an empty field called the trade log. This trade log is where you add your own journal entries. By clicking the edit icon, a form opens with a predefined trading log template. You can use this template as is, modify it, or replace it entirely with your own structure. You can make your journal as simple or as detailed as you like. Below is an example of a comprehensive template structure. Number 1. Trade thesis. Here you define the core idea behind the trade, your market bias, trading thesis, or even a long-term view. The key question is, why did I take this trade? Was it part of a predefined setup in my playbook, or was it a discretionary or swing position? Number 2, entry details. This section focuses on execution. You can log the entry price, any slippage, and whether the entry aligned with your rules. Was there confirmation from the market structure, momentum, liquidity, multi-time frame alignment, or other confluences? Number 3, stops and targets. This is where you document your exits, log your stop loss, take profit levels, and any predefined risk-reward parameters used for the trade. Number 4, trade management. Here you record how you manage the position after entry. Did you scale in or out, adjust risk, trail stops? Anything related to in-trade decision making belongs here. Number 5, outcome. This section includes the final result of the trade, P&L, your personal rating, whether you followed your plan, and whether the trade was a valid setup regardless of outcome. Number 6, psychology notes. Here you log your mental state before, during, and after the trade. Any hesitation, fear, FOMO, impulsive behavior, or emotional reactions should be documented here. Number 7, key takeaways. This is a concise summary of lessons learned from the trade. And lastly, number 8, improvement plan. Finally, you define what you will improve or focus on in your next trade. This is how you can use the trading journal in TradingLabs. You can customize it to your own workflow, but what matters most is consistency. By journaling your trades properly, you build discipline, improve decision making, and develop consistent trading behavior over time. To build a robust sample of your trading behavior, it's not enough to journal consistently. You also need to be completely honest. That means documenting your thought process and psychology. before entering a trade, during the trade, and after the trade is closed. Without honesty, the journal loses its value. Every weekend, you should review the previous trading week. This weekly evaluation allows you to identify repeating behavioral mistakes. And after just 2 weeks of trading, early patterns usually starts to emerge. Patterns you can then address and correct. Here's how this works in practice. Today, I received a trading signal on my account. All conditions were aligned and it was time to execute. Once I placed the trade, I opened the TradingLabs app and the trade was already visible in the journal. I immediately logged the most important pre-trade information and saved it. After the trade was closed, I returned to the journal and updated it with post-trade data. I added a final note describing how I felt during the trade and saved the entry. That's it. Simple, structured, and repeatable. Even a small mistake can trigger a chain reaction, often leading to overtrading, emotional decisions, and outcomes that never end well. In this video, we covered the importance of journaling and how TradingLabs can support you in that process. If you like the app, visit the website and download it for free. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new app features.